Hey guys, this is Evie and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a snippet of this nail tutorial that I did for these beautiful pink glittery nails. These are some of the products that I used to create this look, which can be found in my online store, longhairprettynails.com. If you're interested in seeing the full detailed video of how I did this nail design step by step with the voiceover and all that good stuff, make sure to head over to longhairprettynails.com. That is where I will be hosting the full nail tutorial videos from here on out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little snippet, and once again, if you want to see the full video, head over to longhairprettynails.com. I will leave the link down below.